Yep, so just a review of last week, just to kind of go over everything. So for last week, I would say overall good week. I experienced, coming out of some drawdown. So a level of remembering that yes, you can be in drawdown, you can get out of drawdown. Also taking losses instead of letting the account blow or any super major loss occur. So just make sure that this coming week you have a strict risk management per trade and only trade your actual setup. And your setup is London high, London low, above previous day high, or below previous day's low. Essentially, you need to make sure you're paying attention to power of three. Essentially, if that daily candle is because manipulation, accumulation, distribution. So if that daily candle is opening, it's going to open in the other direction, accumulate orders, and then it's going to expand. So you want to catch that expansion. So keep working hard at trading above previous day high and below previous day's low. And take your setup when you see it. Don't be hesitant. Take it as soon as you see it. Don't let anything get to you as far as you're tired of this, that, the other, because your best opportunities are at those extremes. Just put a stop loss and trade at those extremes. Even if you lose, you might be able to come back just because you're at the extremes. But if you're trading in the middle of the ranges, it won't make sense. So for next week, make sure just to stay focused on trading the extremes, previous day high, previous day low, using turtle soup entries, and then of course fair value gap, and especially inverted fair value gap, which I noticed has been really effective. Take note of order blocks and PD arrays going against your trade so you can close earlier. Take profits when they come. You have multiple trading accounts, so just take profits as they come, and overall you're going to make money. So keep doing what you're doing, but that was the lessons from last week. So for today's setup, I bought GU. I bought it close to London low. Essentially, there was a level of divergence or SMT across all of the pairs. Pretty much the other pairs, AU, NZD, AU, NU, and EU were all above London high, and GU was essentially at London low. So to me, that was SMT. That GU had to go up. So essentially, I mostly traded GU, but I also did trade the other pairs. And then I guess a news release did come out and I guess push the market a little bit higher. So that was the trade for today. Very good trade. My biggest problem recently has been not closing profits when I should. This time I actually held a little bit longer. So I know I can recover any drawdown. That's the key about when you trade. Sometimes you're not as aggressive unless you're in drawdown. So I just got to remember, just be patient, take the profits when they come.